This is a greeting from Dr. S. Sasikala, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Mathematics, Kaveri College for Women, Trichy. In this module, we are going to see about queuing theory. Agner Karup Erlong, the Danish telephone communication engineer, started applying the principle of queuing theory in the area of telecommunications. In day-to-day life, we are all practiced in standing in a queue for any of the service. The queue is nothing but a waiting line. For example, in a front office desk, the queuing system is nothing but the reception desk, and the people is a customer and the server is a receptionist. In a hospital, the hospital is a system, the patient is a customer, doctor is a server. In a supermarket, the supermarket is a system, the people is a customer and the checkout is a server. Other few examples are given in table. The queuing theory is a branch of applied mathematics utilizing the concept from the field of stochastic processes. It is a mathematical study of queues or a waiting line. A queue is formed whenever the demand for service exceeds the capacity to provide service at that point in a time. A basic queuing system can be systematically shown in the following figure. The arrival, that is a customer, enter into the queue, follow some queue discipline and getting service and then dispatcher. The full process will be called as a queuing system. The queue have some basic characteristics. That is, the input or arrival pattern of customer, the service pattern of the servers, the number of servers or a service channel, the capacity of the system, the queue discipline, the number of service stages. Before explaining the basic characteristic, it is also necessary to know the reaction of the arrival enter the system. The arrival behavior may be vary according to his patient. If the queue is too long, a customer decides not to enter the queue, then we can say that he is bulking. If the queue is too long, a customer may enter the queue but after a time lose patience and decide to leave the queue, then we can say that he is reneging. There is two or more parallel waiting line. The customer may switch from one to another queue, that is jockeying for position. Now we can see detailing about the basic characteristic of queue. The arrival pattern of customer. The arrival pattern or a input to a queuing system is often measured in terms of average number of arrivals per some unit of time or by the average time between successive arrivals. The arrival may be a single or a bulk. The next one, the service pattern of the server. It is typically a service takes random time. Theoretically, modules are based on random distribution of service duration. It may be state dependent service or state independent service. Another important parameter is the number of servers. The system with one server is called a single channel system and a system with more servers are called multi-channel system. In many queuing systems, there is a limited number of customers that may be entered in a waiting line or a system. If there is a limited number of customers in a queue, then the system is finite. When there is no limitation, then the system is infinite. Another important parameter is queue discipline. It represents the way of queue is organized. The ways are first come first serve or last come first serve or service in random. Normally, the queue practice first come first serve. The first come first serve is represented by FCFS and last come first serve is represented by LCFS and service in random is represented by SIRO. The number of the service stages. The service stage may be a single stage or multi-stages. In this module, I hope you that you have some better ideas about queuing theory. Thank you.